Module 3, Part 2, Configure Permissions. Hello, I'm Peter Myers. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to set up the security principles required to embed Power BI content in my app. Here in the Azure portal, I start by creating a new security group. I name the group Power BI Apps. Next, I register an app. And I name the app Sales Reporting. And then I click Register. Now that the app is registered, I hover the cursor over the application ID and then copy the ID to the clipboard. And then I go to My Settings, and then I record that ID for future reference. Now I need to create a client secret. Switching back to the Azure portal, I go ahead and I create a new client secret. I then click Add. Notice that the value of the client secret is displayed. This part is critical. I must immediately copy the key value because it won't be possible to retrieve it later. My app will use the key value together with the application ID to sign in as an application. I copy that value and then I paste it into My Settings. Next, I add that app to the security group that I created earlier. Lastly, I need to complete some security setup tasks in the Power BI service. At the top right, I click the cog icon and then I open the admin portal. In the admin portal, I notice I'm in the tenant settings, and then I scroll down to locate the developer settings. Here is a setting to allow service principals to use the Power BI APIs. I enable this setting, and then I specify that the Power BI Apps security group is then assigned to that setting. I click Apply. Lastly, I return to the workspace that I created in the previous demonstration. And now I'm going to configure some access properties for it. I click the Access button and then I configure that the Sales Reporting app is assigned as an admin to this workspace. It effectively grants the permission required to embed the content from this workspace into my app. And so that concludes the security setup that will enable me to embed Power BI content in my web app.